Hello, my name's Andrew Hughes and I'm one of the founders and CEO of TripShift, an innovative carbon calculator focused solely on transport and travel. Globally, transport makes up around 25% of total carbon emissions, or roughly 7.3 billion tonnes per year. Those are big numbers, so decarbonising our transport system is essential if we are to get anywhere near the Net Zero 2050 challenge. And all of us as businesses or individuals have a part to play. Joining me today to tell you about TripShift is Gemma Coombs, our CFO.
Businesses are coming under increasing pressure to account for and reduce their carbon emissions. At COP26 last November, it was mandated that all businesses must improve their net zero plans. A critical element of this was the inclusion of Scope 3 emissions, which includes commuting, business travel, and logistics throughout their entire supply chain. Legislation and taxation are almost inevitable. In the meantime, corporations must find practical ways to meet their carbon reduction pledges. We believe that TripShift will become an important enabler in transport decarbonisation by turning net zero strategy into effective action.
Simply put, we have created an innovative technology platform that can be used by businesses, communities and individuals that accurately records how much carbon their business or personal journeys create. Our solution consists of two key elements, a smartphone app and a corporate dashboard. The TripShift app, which is already available in the app stores, takes carbon counting to the next level. It precisely tracks where you are moving, but also automatically understands how you are moving. Trains, planes, cars, even the underground. All of this in near real time. It's an automated process with no need for repeated manual data entry. Just leave the app ticking away in the background. The app uses an immersive and innovative UI, leveraging gamification and nudge theory to drive behaviour change. Monetization comes through the in-app ad service, where we are building a marketplace based upon sustainable mobility, travel and absorption partners, all tailored to the user's movement patterns. The TripShift platform allows a business to collate emissions data across its entire workforce in a data-secure capture process that ensures employee privacy, but gives the business the tools it needs to track, reduce and ultimately report its transport-related carbon emissions.
As the legislation around carbon emissions evolves, we intend to make the reporting process as simple as it is now to file your VAT return. Collating the data and sending it digitally direct to the tax authority with supporting verification.
Our first business clients are already using the platform, with charging based on the number of users. In the next year, we'll be continuing development, adding more features and increasing the capability of the reporting platform available to businesses. In particular, we will be focusing on developing the monetization of our sustainability marketplace, both in-app and via the business platform. We also have exciting plans to offer further specialist products, focusing on global logistics and travel amongst others, as well as a SaaS SDK licensing model to make our existing tracking technology available for integration into larger corporate solutions.
As we continue to develop our technology, we will be using the funding from this round to implement our go-to-market strategy, increasing traction, adding further users and building on early revenue. We need to grow our existing team to support this process, and ultimately we are positioning ourselves ready for the next stage in our growth plan as we enter our first international markets.
This is a global problem and we've developed the platform as a global solution. We have big plans and we hope you want to join us on the journey by becoming a TripShifter and investing in our Seeders campaign. Thank you.